Official lineup for Silog. Number 2, Angelo Cuya. Number 0, Robin Gautam. Number 13, Matt Tatalio. Number 19, Asher Daming. Number 16, Mohamed Makchalawi. Number 10, Ivan Malalini. Number 12, Jeff Pistano. And number 11, Jeremy Lucy. For Yolanda Holmes, official lineup. Number 5, Farooq Ismail. Number 7, Tal Cabral. Number 23, Patrick Naman. Number 16, Ryan Franco. Number 30, Adrian Naman. Number 77, Paul Gabriel. Number 24, Jason Eldama. And number 29, Jason Malini. Starting 5 for Silog. Number 0, Gautam. Number 15, Kuya. Number 16, Maslawi. Number 10, Malalini. And number 13, Tatalio. For Yolanda Holmes, number 24, Eldama. Number 7, Cabral. Number 5, Ismail. Number 30, Adrian Numan. And number 77, Paul Gabriel. Okay, let's get it on. Let's start our quarterfinals. Winner of this ball game will proceed to the semifinals next week. Loser goes home empty-handed. Okay, first possession belongs to Silog, but it's a 6 turnover. Gives the ball to Gabriel, step back jumper, too strong, rebound, succeeded by Gautam. Kuya with the ball. Kuya, screen by Tatalio, guarded by Cabral. Gautam to Kuya, top of the play, Trey, short. Rebound and supplement Cabral. Ismail with the ball. Ismail, 1-on-1 against Tatalio. From right to the basket. This going to the line for an and one. Basket is good for Ismail. Fouls on Silog. Number 13, Tatalio. Thank you there. First personal foul on Tatalio's first team foul on Silog. Ismail at the free throw line for a bonus free throw or an and one. Bonus free throw is no good. Rebound Tatalio. Tatalio to Gautam. Gautam, step out of bounds. Turnover for Silog. What a game. This is do or die quarterfinals between number 4 seed Yolanda Holmes and number 5 seed Silog. Ismail to Eldama. Eldama against Kuya. Eldama to Gabriel. Gabriel spins. Step up jumper, uses the window for 2. 4-0 run by Yolanda Holmes. Kuya directing traffic for Silog. Kuya to Tatalio, back to Kuya. Foul on the floor, blocking foul on Yolanda Holmes. Number 24, thank you, Red. Eldama, first personal foul, first team foul. Tatalio back to Kuya. Steps out of bounds. Turnover for Silog. Back-to-back turnovers for Silog. Great defense for Yolanda. Ismail. Guarded by Tatalio. Ismail to Gabriel. Gabriel guarded by Malalini. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Naman drives, overshoots, Kuya with the ball. Kuya to Tatalio. Tatalio to Maslawi. Ball recovered by Gautam. Gautam to Tatalio for 3. No good. Malalini sends it to the wrong guy. Ends up with Ismail. Ismail drives. Ismail scores. 6-0 run for Yolanda Holmes. Kuya, balik by Cabral, stripes, stolen, ends up with Eldama. Eldama to Naman. Naman to Ismail, denied by Maslawi. Last touch on Yolanda Holmes. Possession Silog. Great defense by Silog. Maslawi with the rejection. Gautam with the ball. Ball on the floor. Oh no, this is stepping out of bounds. Timeout, Yolanda home. 5 minutes and 41 in the first quarter. 6-0 is the score in favor of Yolanda. Okay, back to the ball game. 6-0 rally by Yolanda Homes. Since the opening period, we're still in the opening period by the way. 4 minutes and 41. Yolanda up by 6. Noman, ating Klasnawi to Ismail. Ismail ang Gatalios. Next the play, in and out, rebound Manalili. Gatalios to Gautam. Gautam drive, short, rebound, put back by Gatalios, no good, rebound, and Capri. Out of bounds. Last touch on Sinog. Ismail with the ball. Ismail. Mid-range very short. Gatalios with the ball. Maslawi. To Kuya. Didn't go. Jumper is there for Kuya. Sinog is on the board now. 6-2 is the score. Gabriel gives the ball back to Ismail. Ismail to Adrian. Adrian to Gabriel. Gabriel gets it out to Adrian. 5 on the shot clock. 4 seconds to shoot. Blanco for 3. No good. Rebound sa Gatalios. Gautam to Kuya. Kuya to Gatalios. Gatalios to Manalili. Revive and it is bad. Pushing foul on Yolanda Home. Number 10. Kuya Ryan is Son Maclawi, number 5. And number 10, 16. Franco. Number 5, Ismail, sorry. Ismail, first personal foul, second team foul. So 2 free throws will be given to Avon Manalili. First free throw is good for Avon. Cutting the lead to 3 for Silog. 2 minutes and 30 remaining in the first quarter. 1 out of 2 for Manalili. Rebound Franco. Foul on the floor. Foul on number 10, Manalili. First personal foul, second team foul. Sideline drawing for Yolanda. Franco to Cabral. Gabriel to Franco. Franco against Kuya. Franco. Shot. Shot is good. Difficult shot by Franco. Hands in his face is to make the basket. Gautam to Maslawi. Maslawi back to Gautam. Gautam still is drive to Gatalios. Baseline jumper is good for Gatalios. The lead is 3 for Yolanda Home. Franco posting up again. Shot no good this time. Rebound Franco. Franco to Adrian. Screen by Franco. Deflected, recovered by Gabriel. Gabriel behind, cover the back, pass to back. Cabral. One shot by Cabral, no good. Rebound Gatalios. Gatalios na Gautam. Gautam still squad. Drives and scores. 2 pointers Vegas cut down to 1. 57 seconds left in the first quarter. Gabriel under the rest. Turnaround Jay. Money. 3-point lead. 41 seconds left. 2 for 1. Situation for Silog. Downtown for 3. No good. Rebound Ismael. Foul on the floor. Foul is on number 10. That's 2 on Manalili. Third team foul. Two-second differential between shot clock and game clock. The shot clock, 2 seconds differential. Manalili dancing with Mascatarios. Screen by Franco. Ismael, in the buzzer, now good. Rebound. Manalili, last 4 seconds. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. Kuya Ibrahim, basket is good. Kuya to beat the buzzer. Official score at the end of the first quarter. 10 for Yolanda Homes and 9 for Silog. 10-9 is the score at the end of the first quarter.
This is where ballers keep the winning tradition alive. Because we make good moves. Remember to love basketball league is bringing anticipated Lumen Care Champion Series 2026. One ball, one prize to win. Let's give a big shout to the Thunder. Lumen Care to be the major sponsor this season's tournament. Lumen
Okay, back to the ball game. For those who have just joined us, this is the quarterfinals knockout rounds between the number 4 seed Yolanda Homes and number 5 seed Silog. Winner will advance to the semifinals next week to face yung Lumina Care. Loser will go home empty-handed. Second quarter possession belongs to Silog. Kuya to Gautang. So Kuya, back to Gautang. 3 seconds inside the key. Too long inside the shaded area. So the Silog players counting inside the restricted area. Hold for a few seconds. Ismael with the ball. Yolanda up by 1. Gabriel to Cabral. Cabral to Gabriel. 3 seconds inside the key. Great vision for our referees for tonight. Eagle-eyed vision for our referees. Silog down by 1. Kuya. Screen by Tatsalios. Kuya. His daylight. Floater short. Rebound Cabral. Cabral off to the races. Cabral to his stride. Overshooting rebound. Maslawi. Maslawi. To Kuya. Kuya baseline jumper. Bothered by Ismael. Rebound Ismael. Ismael with the ball. Screen by Aldama. Ismael looking for a teammate. To Cabral. Cabral pass. Dangerous pass. Intercepted by Silog. Kuya. With numbers. Gautang to Maslawi. Jumper was good for Maslawi. And Silog with the lead now. 11-10 in favor now of Silog. Again, the winner of this ball game will go to the semifinals next week. Loser will go home empty-handed. Ismael to Cabral. Franco elbow jumper. No good. Last touch on Tatsalios. 5 on the shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Franco. Pass the track and intercepted by Tatsalios. Great hands by Tatsalios. Counter steal by Ismael. Ismael ready to by Ismael. Yolanda regaining the lead. 12-11 is the score. Gautang Kuya. Now good with the play. Rebound and submit. Franco. Franco up to the races. Franco goes to bonus for an easy two. 14-11 is the score. 3-point lead now for Yolanda Holmes. Gautang to Tatalio. Maslawi wide open. Lover. Last touch on substitution rep. Subret. Franco for Adrian. Franco will get a breather. Timeout rep. Timeout. Timeout. Silong. Silong. Cross versus line. 6 minutes and 32 remaining in the second quarter. This is do or die. Quarterfinals between Silong and Yolanda Holmes. To our viewers, players, or spectators of the venue, if you want to win a meal voucher t-shirt, kindly include your name at the registration near the bleacher if you want to win a meal voucher and a t-shirt. For a chance to win a t-shirt from NFBL and a meal voucher from Silong, just include your name at the registration near the bleacher. Thank you. Okay, back to the movie. 5 minutes and 15 in the second quarter of our first game, quarterfinals. Yolanda Holmes with a 3-point lead. Gabriel will inbound. Cabral with the ball. Cabral to Ismael. Ismael. Double team by Silong. To Gabriel. Gabriel. Shot is good. It's now a 5-point lead for Yolanda Holmes. Kuya to Tatalios. Tatalios straight by Manalili. Bounces pass to Kuya. Kuya for 3 short. It's one and done. One and done for Silong. Offense is struggling for Silong. Cabral to Gabriel. Back pass to Dama. Dama short on the layup. Rebound Tatalios. Now down to Dami. Dami loses the handle. Ends up with Cabral. Cabral. Wild shot. No good. Foul on the floor. Foul on Silong. Subret. First foul, right? Foul is on number 13, Tatalios. Substitution left. Second personal foul on Tatalios. First team foul on Silong. Two free throws will be given to Carl Cabral. First free throw of the iron for Cabral. Still a 5-point game. One out of 2 for Cabral is creating his free throws. 17-11 is the score in favor of Yolanda Holmes. Kuya to Gautang, let it fly from deep, short, rebound, intercepted Cabral. Yolanda, chance to add to their 5.6-point lead. Adrian fakes. Adrian looking for a teammate to Franco, back to Adrian. Adrian, sabag na kay Trey, short. Possession Silong. Kuya, looking for a mismatch. Gautang, bagay ng Cabral. Gautang spin to Tatalios. Slow turnover, give on Ismael. Ismael off to the races. Great numbers. Franco, post to post. Overshoots. Last touch on Yolanda Silong. Possession remains with Yolanda. Sorry, miss for Franco. 2 minutes and 34 remaining in the second quarter. Franco will inbound for Yolanda. Pass Stone naman, ends up with Cabral. Ismael, let it fly from deep, short, rebound, Galtan. Tatalios with the ball. Tatalios to Guya, to Galtan. Galtan, knocks it off, pass deflected, recovered by Manalili. Manalili under the rest. Tatalios, Dami fakes, shot no good, rebound Noman. Noman, fearless drive, he gets fouled by Kuya. Foul is on Silong, number 15, Kuya, first personal foul, second team foul. So Adrian Limar shoots 2 free throws for Yolanda Homes. The lead is 6 for Yolanda. A minute and 37 left in the first half. First free throw is good for Adrian. 18-11 is the score. 7-point game in favor of Yolanda. 2 out of 2 for Adrian. It's now an 8-point game. Silong seeking for some answers. Kuya. Guarded by Franco. To Tatalios. Tatalios to Manalili. Manalili sees an opening. Manalili almost shoots. Rebound Tatalios to the shot clock. Shot clock violation by Silong. It didn't hit the ring. Did he hit the iron? No, he didn't. Didn't hit the ring. But didn't hit the ring. So shot clock violation. 30 seconds left in the second quarter. Adrian, 2-for-1 opportunity for Yolanda. Cabral to Franco. Franco drives, denied by Asher. Rebound by Ismael drive. Rebound by Cabral. Cabral, floater is left for Cabral. Last 6 seconds, Dalton scores. That's the end of the first half. Official score, 21 for Yolanda Homes and 13 for Silong. That's the end of the first half.
Basketball action. This is the Ballers Hockey winning tradition of love. Because we make good moves. Wonderful basketball moves. Bringing it. This is the Women Championship 2026. Team, one goal. Blue Rise Star.
Hey, back to the ball game. Let's go back to the quarterfinal action between the number 4 seed Yolanda Homes and number 5 seed Silong. Again, winner of this ball game will proceed to the semifinals next week to face Luminatea. This is the second half. Backcourt violation committed by Yolanda Homes straight from the break. So turnover for Yolanda. Kuya, Gautam, Contrain, Elgin, rebound and with Mashlawi. Mashlawi to Kuya. Kuya from deep, short, rebound Cabral. Cabral, jumper, in and out, rebound Tatalios. Gautam running the point for Silong. Gautam to Tatalios. Tatalios to Manalili inside for the score. The lead is down to 6. Gabriel, jumper. In and out, almost in. Rebound, Manalili. No time, running jumper, no good, rebound, Aldama. Aldama in the wall. Aldama to Numan. Numan to Cabral, 6 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Franco fakes. Franco overshoots. Rebound Kuya. Kuya to Gautam. Gautam. Foul on the floor. Foul on Yolanda Home. Who's foul, right? Foul is on number 30. Changeref. Adrian Awari. First personal foul, first team foul. Sideline throwing for Yolanda for Silog. Tatsalios to Kuya. Kuya, guarded by Cabral. Kuya, spins. Left the layup. Yun, Orlando Poncho. 21-17 is the score in favor of Yolanda. Gabriel looking for a teammate. To Aldama. Aldama. To Adrian. Adrian from deep. Short. Rebound to Tatsalios. Ilan pass pass. Turnover for Silog. Pass is too hot to handle. Turnover for Silog. Substitution for Yolanda. Franco for Silog. Ismael with the ball. Guarded by Tatsalios. Cabral. Guarded by Gautam. Steve. To Gabriel. Gabriel face. Let it fly. No good. Rebound Tatsalios. Kuya with the ball. Silog down by 4. Kuya loses the handle. Turnover for Silog and there's a foul as well. Foul on number 15. Foul on number 15, Kuya. Second personal foul, first team foul. Ismael with the ball. To Aldama. Aldama to Gabriel. Gabriel driving baseline. Rivers layup, no good. Rebound. Aldama. Put back by Aldama. Is good. Plus a foul. Foul is on Silog. Foul is on number 15, Kuya. That's 3 on Kuya. Third personal foul. 2 on Silog. Aldama, hoop and horn. Chance for an end one. The lead is 6 for Yolanda, chance for round 1. Bonus meters no good, rebound Tatsalios. Still a 6-point lead for Yolanda Home. Manalili inside, no good, rebound Ismael. Ismael to Cabral. Cabral to Adrian. Adrian, wide open, yes, sir! The lead is 9 for Yolanda Home. Gautam falls on the deck. Foul on the floor. What's the call, ref? Blocking foul on number 7, Carl Cabral. First personal foul, second team foul. Sideline throwing for Silog. Mashlawi to Tatsalios. From big to strong. Ismael for off the board. Ismael crosses the midcourt. Dancing with Manalili. Step back tray. Bang! Moment level for Ismael. Go double digit lead now for Yolanda Holmes. Kuya running the point for Silog. Gautam Melanson overshoots. Way off. Timeout left. Timeout. Yolanda Holmes. 3 minutes and 38 remaining in the third quarter. 12-point lead by Yolanda Holmes. To our spectators at the venue, if you want to win a meal voucher and t-shirt, just put your name on the registration form near the bleacher for a chance to win a meal voucher for the Silog and t-shirt from MFBL. Back to the ball game. Winner of this ball game will face Lumina here next week, while loser will go home and end their season. This is a do or die ball game between Yolanda Holmes and Silog. Cabral to Cabral. Man-to-man defense by Silog. Numan to Cabral. Franco for Sayata Escuela. Franco floater, no good, rebound Tatalias. Chance for Silog to cut down the lead. The lead is one for Yolanda. Kuya, tumanalili inside, shot short, rebound. Gabriel, deflected, stolen by Gautam. Gautam, floater short, rebound Gautam. Fake, tumanalili. Gautam scoring at ground. Kuya, 6 on the shot clock. Gautam to Kuya. What's up, rep? Traveling violation committed by Silog. Great defense for Yolanda. Turnovers are killing Silog. Adrian back to Ismail. Ismail, screen by Gabriel. Ismail got the baseline. Turn around there, short, rebound Cabral, stolen by Gautam. Down the steal by Cabral. Foul is on number 16, Mashlawi. Mashlawi, first personal foul, third team foul. Franco will inbound for Yolanda to Gabriel. Gabriel, she's an opening. Layup is good for Gabriel. Everything is falling for Yolanda Holmes. The lead is 14 for Yolanda. 7 seconds differential between shot clock and game clock. Mashlawi to Gautam. Gautam, no good in the quarter three. Rebound Franco to Cabral. Cabral to Adrian. Short in the layup. Rebound Tatalias. Tatalias to Kuya. Kuya to Tatalias. Tatalias to Tatalias. No good. Rebound Gabriel at the end of the third quarter. Additional score. 31 for Yolanda Holmes. 17 for Silog. Back to the ball game. This is the last and final quarter of the first game of our quarterfinals. Not on The winner will advance next week to face Luminacea in the semifinals, while loser will end their season. Fourth quarter possession belongs to Silog. Tatsalis to Manalili. Manalili. Gautam, short on the corner 3, rebound. Asher, Daming, Chubo. Good on the putback for Asher Daming. Manalili 12. For Yolanda. Cabral from deep, no good, rebound Gabriel. Putback by Gabriel is good. Everything is falling for Yolanda home. Gautam turns the ball over, stolen by Cabral. Cabral to Adrian. Adrian. Hands the ball again. When it rains, it pours for Yolanda home. Tatsalis to Kuya. Kuya with answers on 3. Kuya in his own version of 3-pointer. Lead is 14. 8 minutes and 54 in the final quarter. Ismail to Adrian. Thinking about taking a three. Gives the ball back to Ismail. Ismail. Pass to Gabriel. Inside. Counter one. A foul for Gabriel. Foul is on Silog. Number 19. Dami. First personal foul. First team foul for Silog. And one opportunity for Gabriel. In and out for the free throw, rebound Tatsalis. Gautam to Dami. Dami throws it up to strong rebound Gabriel. Gabriel. What's the ball, red? Jump ball possession. Silog. Sorry, back to Yolanda. Jump ball. Possession, Yolanda home. 17 on the shot clock. Franco to Cabral. Cabral throws it up, too strong. Rebound Cabral. Adrian. No good in the play, rebound Tatsalis. Tatsalis in the ball. Tatsalis passes it up to Gautam. Gautam. Tatsalis inside. Good command for the foul for Tatsalis. Foul is on Yolanda Holmes. Foul number 5. Ismail, second personal foul, first team foul. Timeout, Yolanda Holmes. 6 minutes and 53 remaining in the final quarter. 38-24 is the official score. Second game of our quarterfinals tonight. Group 22, Travel Tours versus Rap Serrano Studios. Please be ready. Hey, back to the ball game. Bonus free throw will be given to Silog, courtesy of Tatsalis. Bonus free throw is good for Tatsalis. Adding the lead to 13 for Silog. The lead is 13 for Yolanda Home. Cabral to Ismail. Ismail to Franco. Franco to Adrian. Ismail pass intercepted by Manalili. Coming to Gautam. Gautam from right to the basket for an easy two. Here comes Silog. for Yolanda. Franco to Adrian, to Gabriel. Traveling violation, committed by Yolanda Holmes. Turnover, Yolanda. Chance for Silog to move closer. Screen by Dami. Foul on the floor. Foul sa number 30, Adrian naman. Second personal foul, second team foul. Baseline throwing for Silog. Chachalos to Kuya. Kuya, and the manager! The lead is cut down to 8. Here comes Silog. Ismael with the ball. Ismael, double the head way, Hilden. Rebound, Manalini. Dautan with the ball. Dautan to Kuya. Kuya, and the ball. Back-to-back play for Angelo Kuya. And the lead is cut down to 5. What a game. Ismael, drive. Too strong, rebound, Manalini. Dautan with the ball. Dautan with the Bonaces. Foul on the floor. Foul on Yolanda Holmes. Number 30, Adrian naman. Third personal foul. Third personal foul on Adrian. 13 foul on. Official score 38-31. No, 35. Print is good for Dautan.
3 minutes. Come on, mate.
I'm on left, I'm on. Silog. 3 minutes exactly remaining in the final quarter. Thirty-eight, 36 is the score. 38-36 is the score. 3 minutes remaining in the final quarter. 38-36 is the official score. This is just a two-point game after the two free throws of Dautan. What a game! Again, winner of this ball game will advance to the semifinals next week facing Luminacare. The loser ends their season. Cabral. To Eldama, to Ismael. Yolanda holding on the 2-point lead. Ismael drives, no good. Rebound Cabral. Cabral to Franco. Franco loses the handle. Ends up with Catalias. Manalini to Kuya. Here comes Silog. Kuya drives. No good. Last touch on Silog. Missed opportunity for Silog. Cabral with the ball. Next Cabral. Pass intercepted by Dami. Here comes Silog. Dautan drives. No good. Rebound. Cabral. Cabral to Ismael. He gets fouled. Foul is on number 19, Dami. Sorry, it's foul. Dami. 13 foul. Third personal foul. Sub-rep, sub. Franco for Adrian. 2 minutes and 13 seconds remaining in the final quarter. Gabriel. Galingon for Silog for Yolanda. Cabral for Ismael. Ismael with the ball. To Cabral. Cabral, let it fly. Short rebound, Catalias. Catalias forward pass to Kuya. Kuya. Throwing it down, pass to Catalias. Coming to Manalini. Last 2 minutes. Dautan loses the handle. Ends up with Ismael. Ismael drives. No good. Rebound, Manalini. Kuya for Dami. Dami. Lucas the handle. Rebound. Ismael. Ismael the runner. It's foul from behind. Unsportsmanlike foul is the call of our referee. So unsportsmanlike foul is the call of our referee. Foul is on number 0. Unsportsmanlike foul for Robin Gotham. First personal foul, 14 foul. So, a 2 free throws and ball possession for Yolanda Hall. First free throw is no good for Gabriel. Steal a 2-point lead. Second one is good for Gabriel. Giving Yolanda Holmes a 3-point lead, but possession remains with Yolanda. Yolanda Holmes up by 3. A minute and 25 remaining in the final quarter. Ismael against Tota. Ismael to Cabral. Cabral. Shot is good. Use the window for Cabral. The lead is 4. 5 runner for Yolanda. Foul on the floor. Foul number 24. Ildaman. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Both teams warning for penalty. A minute and 5 left. 5-point game. A minute and 5 left remaining. Both teams warning for penalty. Sachalas to the ball. Sachalas to Kuya. Kuya, poked away by Aldama. Kuya to Sachalas. Sachalas jumper. No good. Rebound Manalini. Manalini. Wild shot. No good. Rebound Sachalas. Sachalas to Gota. Kuya for 3. No good. Rebound Sachalas. Asha breaks. Asha the ball. Timeout, Yolanda Holmes. That's the last timeout of Yolanda Holmes. 38.4 seconds left. 41-38 is the score. Both teams getting chippy. This is playoffs. This is quarterfinals. This is playoff basketball. Everything is getting chippy. 38.4 seconds remaining. Yolanda out of timeout. Silog with 1 timeout left. Last 38 seconds left. 3-point game after being put back by Dami of Silog. What a game! Silog overcomes a double-figure lead. What a rally in the final quarter. 14 on the shot clock for Yolanda. 14 to shoot. Ismael. Poke away by Dami. Under the left. Jump ball possession to Long. Jump ball possession to Long. Timeout, Silog. That's the last timeout of Silog. Both teams out of timeout. 41-38 is the score. 27.8 seconds left. What a game. This is NFBL Players Basketball. The winner of this ball game will proceed to the semifinals next week facing Lunica Pier. while the loser will end their season. Okay, back to the ball game. Last 27 seconds left. Hold on to your seats.
Don't let your man shoot, huh?
Sideline throw-in for Silong. 14 on the shot clock for Silong. 14 seconds. Gautang with the ball to Tachalio. Manalini to Tachalio. 6 on the shot clock. 5 seconds to shoot. Kuya, shot clock, very good. No shot clock na kaya. Shot clock. Stewart, shot clock violation. Possession Yolanda Holmes. Shot clock. So, shot clock violation. No. Didn't hit the ring.
Didn't hit the ring.
Shot clock is off. Shot clock is off. Foul on the floor. Foul on Manalini. Penalty red. That's 3 on Manalini. Penalty. Last 10.8 seconds. 2 free throws will be given to Cabral. The lead is 3 for Yolanda. First free throw is good for Cabral. It's a 2-possession game. Two for Cabral. The lead is 5. Last 8 seconds. Coming inside. Spins. Shot is good for Dunning. Last 4 seconds. Ismail rebound for Yolanda. Foul on Dunning. Dunning, 4th personal foul. Technically. 2.5 seconds left. 3-point game in favor of Yolanda Holmes. Last 2.5 seconds. First free throw for Gabriel is good. Second free throw is no good. Rebound to Charios. That's the end of our first game. Yolanda Holmes will prevail over Silog. 44-40 is the score. Yolanda will go to the semifinals next week against Lumina Care. We will draw the winner of the voucher and t-shirt